Okay guys, welcome to the Koh Samui Airport. In this video, I'm going to do a tour of the airport, both the departures and the arrivals level, and give some basic information about this amazing airport. This is a very, very unique airport, that's for sure. This airport is privately owned. It's an international airport and is located on the island of Koh Samui in southern Thailand. There's the check-in area. Not that busy there, that's for sure. I got to my flight a little bit early. This is a fairly busy airport though. The airport was built by Bangkok Airways and it officially opened in April of 1989. Here's the cool part. This is the airport. It's like an outdoor shopping mall, like a strip mall. It's unbelievable. Coffee shops and restaurants and all kinds of stuff, all outside. Really, really cool. And down the end, there's beanbag chairs in the grass, and people were using them. Here's looking back towards the check-in counters. Really cool, yeah? Hard to believe this is an airport. And there's some beanbag chairs. And there's some people using them. Really, really cool, yeah? The airport has a very unique open air design, as we can see right here, with indoor areas being the gift shops, ticket office, bathrooms, and a VIP lounge. Here's security. Still got all the same rules, even if it's really cool. Inside security, very wide open. There's even fish in the pond. This is Thailand's 7th busiest airport, handling more than 1 million passengers a year. The airport has both domestic and international terminals, plus a building for check-in and baggage claim. The international terminal is about 50 meters north of the domestic terminal. I didn't see the international terminal. This is all domestic. There's a look around. Pretty cool place, that's for sure. Since the airport is privately owned by Bangkok Airways, and you can see that it's owned by Bangkok Airways just by the ticket prices. These are some pretty expensive domestic flights, that's for sure. The airline has a near monopoly on flights. But between 2008 and 2018, Thai Airways International also operated 2 daily flights from Bangkok. And right now, Scoot Air is operating a flight from Singapore to Koh Samui, and that started on the 13th of May 2024. And I did see a Scoot plane land there. A little bit of sad information now. There's been a couple of accidents here, and one was pretty bad. On the 21st of November 1990, Bangkok Airways Flight 125, a Bombardier Dash 8, crashed while attempting to land in heavy rain and high winds. All 38 people on board were killed. And on the 4th of August 2009, Bangkok Airways Flight 266, an ATR 72 arriving from Krabi, skidded off the runway and killed the captain. Here's inside the terminal, getting ready to go onto the tram. Unfortunately, you got to take a tram, there it is, to get to the airplane. It's not very far and not really a big deal. It's just part of the process. A look around, it's very, very nice there, that's for sure. Even better on a nice day. There's the planes, 4 planes sitting ready to go. All Bangkok Airways, of course. We had to stop for a few minutes to wait for the plane to be ready. This is one of those ATR 72 600s, the turboprop. Not sure why they load from the rear, but I did 2 flights, one to the island and one back to Bangkok, and they loaded everybody from the rear and unloaded. And there we are heading to Koh Samui, and we'll take a look at the arrivals level. There's not as much to see, obviously, but still really cool. This is about an hour before a monsoon rainstorm. It's really cloudy, and further out to sea it's really high winds. And the monsoon rainstorm hit about 30 minutes, maybe 15 minutes after I checked into my hotel. Happy to say both of my flights were very uneventful, and Bangkok Airways does provide a really good service, and even the in-flight food, although it didn't look anything special, was very good. The flight to and from Bangkok on this plane is about an hour and a half. Here we are on the tram on the way to the arrivals terminal. Even this part of the airport looks really cool. There's a flight from Krabi landing. It's a very busy airport. The planes are coming and going non-stop. Going through here, the belt with the baggage is right through this door. There's only one, so it's pretty easy. Rather cool in my opinion. The bags got there really, really fast. I guess small plane, not many people, not that much luggage. And there we are, heading out of the airport. At the end of this, you'll see where the taxis and rental cars and mostly vans pick people up. Taxis are very, very expensive in Koh Samui. I rented a car, it was a good idea, that's for sure. Alright guys, there it is. That's my tour of the Koh Samui International Airport. Arrivals and departures on the domestic side only. As always guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. There's a lot of vans outside of here. Apparently that's a pretty good burger, according to the sign. I didn't have it. I didn't use one of these companies either. I rented a car from a local guy.